Hello, teacher. My name is Nicolas. In this moment, I'm going to talk about bioethics. I choose environmental bioethics because it studies how scientific decisions affect the environment and future generations. What interests me is that progress can bring benefits, however, it can also create risks. For example, genetic modification of crops can increase food production. On the one hand, it helps fight hunger. On the other hand, it may harm biodiversity. In my opinion, the solution is to find a balance. In other words, we should support the science, but with clear limits and strict regulation to protect the environment. And thank you, teacher, very much. Thank you for listening.